So in a prior video, I talked about a content matrix, which is a way to create unlimited content ideas. And the way it works is you combine a series of devices, as I put it, with a series of content topics that when combined together create a prompt or a question that can lead to a content idea. Today, I want to talk a little bit more about devices themselves and a strategy for creating a bunch of different types of content across the buyer funnel to see which types of content are most engaging, most likely to move people through the funnel, and most likely to result in revenue ROI. So the way you do that is by realizing that certain devices are associated with certain parts of the buyer funnel, all the way from awareness and attraction through nurturing, all the way to the bottom of the funnel where you are promoting your product or service without really saying that you're promoting. So for example, you've got attraction devices at the top. Classic examples of attraction devices are stories, fun facts or research about the industry trends, maybe even a motivational speech, or even pointing at someone else's work in your industry who's perhaps not competitive, but is doing some really great work. That's the type of thing that attracts people to your business. The next one is really nurturing content. This is when you start to get a little bit more educational. You start to talk a little bit more about your specific customer. You show that you know what their goals and their problems are and the problems that they're having with existing solutions. You might even provide some quotes or some common mistakes that customers make or myths about a particular topic. That's nurturing content. And then all the way at the bottom, you've got promotional content where you're starting to address problems customers have, yes, with existing solutions, but frequently asked questions about your solution. Common objections someone might have when you're in a sales call, addressing them up front, making content out of them. And then finally, comparing your product or solution to other existing solutions out there and where you differentiate and find value. So that's the key to creating a wide variety of content is you use the devices associated with different parts of the buyer funnel, and you choose a bunch of them across a bunch of different parts of the buyer funnel to create broad content varieties and see which is best.
Want more growth tips for your business? Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our weekly posts.